Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start right now by powering down and unplugging the Xbox X. This protects circuits. Once unplugged, wait 10 minutes so capacitors discharge, safety first. Next, remove external panels using Torx T8/T10, keep screws organized in labeled trays. You use a spudger to lift clips, not pry hard, that avoids breaking plastic. Meanwhile, verify you have the replacement HDMI daughter board and a 2530W soldering iron. These choices affect. You now locate the HDMI daughter board and disconnect its ribbon and coax lines. Label each connector so reassembly is foolproof. Once labeled, heat the 4 mounting pads with the soldering iron and remove old solder. Use desolder braid or pump to clear holes. Carefully lift the board with ESD-safe tweezers. Avoid tugging cables. When seating the new board, align pads and solder with flux for strong wetting. Make crisp, shiny joints and trim excess solder, because cold joints cause signal loss. You finish by reconnecting ribbon and coax connectors, ensuring they fully seat and locks click. Reattach shielding and hand-tighten screws to avoid stress. Once reassembled, connect to a known good TV or monitor and power on. Confirm 4K at 60 Hz, audio, and edit handshake. If you see no signal, make sure the HDMI cable is good. Then open it again to inspect solder joints and connector crimps. Poor solder or a misaligned ribbon causes most failures. One key tip: cold solder joints are the usual culprit, so
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.